Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have got an exciting repair project today that's sure to surprise you. I picked up a used iPad 9th gen for just 80 Canadian dollars. Yes, 80. But there's a small catch. The digitizer is broken. The good news, I'm a technician, so I'll be fixing it myself. Let's see if I can turn this budget buy into a fully functional iPad for just 105 Canadian dollars in total. So, here's the iPad. As you can see, the body is in the great shape, no major dents or scratches, but the digitizer is shattered or broken, so touch functionality is still here, as you can see here, but it have a crack. So I can still use that iPad, I can still work on it, or I can still use it. So for those unfamiliar, the digitizer is what allows you to interact with the screen. So it's critical part of any touchscreen device, right? So this iPad is having a screen and digitizer a separate part, so it's not a combo screen, so it will not be that expensive part. Here's the plan. I'll order a replacement digitizer for 25 Canadian dollars, which brings the total expense is 105 Canadian dollars. Still way under the price of a new iPad gen, right? So let me show you the about its 64 gigs variant. So of course it's a great but storage variant option. Since I'm a technician, I'll be doing the repair myself. If you are comfortable with DIY fixes, there is an excellent way to save money. Let's dive in. So first of all, power it off. Great, the LCD seems intact, right? So there are a number of ways to replace the digitizer. So everyone have their own trick. So how was the I would say deal? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel Apple Bar for more Apple related content. Let me know in the comments, have you ever fixed a device yourself? See you in the next time. Bye bye.